Right, I'm back at Cali Campers again, this time because I've got a problem with my bumper. Let me show you. So you can see here the bumper's dropped on one side. Now, you're probably thinking, why is it dropped on one side? Well, when we were away camping, I had a little problem with putting the roof down. So I wanted Sam to press on the corner of the roof there whilst I was in the van putting the roof down. What I was forgetting is that Sam's not as tall as me, and so she would need to stand on the bumper to reach. And my bumper does not like being stood on, and I think it's because I've got a tow bar and therefore the crash bar has been removed, and the crash bar would give the bumper its strength. But obviously without it, as soon as someone's foot goes on here, then it drops down. I'm hoping this is going to be fairly straightforward. I'm not going to be doing it, obviously. Fred is, because it would take me all day and it will probably take him 5 minutes. So there, you can see that's just come out. There's like a sort of a plastic bracket in there that the bumper sort of, I don't know, fits into, goes over. We'll find out in a minute. I don't think the bumper's coming off. I think he's going to replace that bracket and then clip this straight back on. I rarely have the back of the van open like this because I store all my bedding on that back part of the seat, and the worry is as soon as I open the tailgate, it'll all fall out on the floor. So what's first then on this? Is it a case of just prying this away?
There's a little Torx bolt here that holds this corner on.
Right.
And then pop out these little push fit pins.
All right.
Which hold that one on. We'll just put 4 new ones in because we do the job properly. So first, see if this comes undone. Which we've got a little.
Let's just have a look.
A couple of these little clips which you can just push out. That one's already out. And there's one more on the back. You can see going there, you can see it's fitted in.
The whole piece just comes away.
Just like that. And then the brand new second-hand replaced one.
Oh, and it's just held in with the same little plastic clips and one little bolt on the bumper edge.
Yeah.
And they just push in.
Just push it.
Oh, I see, and then you just tap that down so that it's flat.
So it spreads the clip. Yeah.
And when you sell these with the clips as well, or do people have to buy the clips separately, or?
It depends on how many we've got at the time. But yeah, we'll always sell the clips as long as we've got them.
And this just sits on it, does it?
Yeah, just sort of interlocks. Like that.
Look at that. It's just on this edge. Oh, I see. And that edge here, this is held in with that screw that came out earlier.
You just need to line.
I see. So it's just all I need to do then at some point is have a look at...
Just get in behind there and clean all that panel up and rust treat it. Maybe
Right.
you could just fix that last corner in a little bit more, just so that plastic trim seats to the body a bit better. But
You can see where I've had to hack away at some of the bumper there to allow for these big chunky tyres.
yeah, and he forgot his sandpaper.
Yep. Oh yeah. It was a rush job. So how much are these then if someone wants to buy one of these brackets? Do you know off the top of your head?
About 20 quid a side.
Cool.
For a good one.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And then obviously you guys can...
clips as well.
Yeah, and you guys can post them out obviously.
Yeah, of course, yeah. All next day delivery.
Cool. And all they need to do is mention the YouTube video and they get 10% off. Brilliant.
Like and subscribe.
Well, obviously like and subscribe, yeah. That's awesome.